If you've ever opened a drawing in AutoCAD and noticed that your dimensions are a little messy, uneven, or just not lined up the way you want, then this quick tutorial is going to help a lot. In this video, I'm going to show you how to align dimensions in AutoCAD using a simple built-in command that can save you a lot of time and make your drawing look much more professional. This is especially useful when you have multiple dimensions stacked close together and you want them evenly spaced and cleanly arranged. Before we get started, make sure to hit that like button if this video helps you out, and subscribe for more AutoCAD tips and shortcuts just like this. Let's jump right in. First, open AutoCAD and load the drawing you want to work on. Once your file is open and you can see the dimensions that need adjusting, go ahead and type DIMSPACE into the command line, then press enter. This is the command that will help you space and align your dimensions automatically. After you activate the command, AutoCAD will ask you to select the dimensions you want to align. Click on each dimension that you want included in the adjustment. You can select multiple dimensions, so choose the ones that are closest together or the ones you want arranged in a neat line. Once you've selected all the dimensions, press enter to continue. Next, AutoCAD will ask you to select the base dimension. This is the reference dimension that the other dimensions will align around, so choose the one you want to keep as the starting point. After that, you'll be prompted to enter the spacing value. This controls the distance between each aligned dimension. If you already know the exact spacing you want, type it in and press enter. If you want AutoCAD to decide the default spacing for you, just press enter without typing anything. AutoCAD will then automatically align the selected dimensions based on the base dimension and the spacing setting you chose. In just a few seconds, your dimensions will be evenly arranged and much easier to read. This is a great way to clean up your annotations, improve the appearance of your drawing, and make sure your dimensions are not overlapping or cluttered. If you're working on construction drawings, engineering plans, or any detailed CAD file, knowing this shortcut can make your workflow much faster. And that's it. Now you know how to align dimensions in AutoCAD using DIMSPACE. It's a simple process, but it makes a huge difference in how polished your final drawing looks. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy AutoCAD guides, and I'll see you in the next one.